Hi, my name is Mohammed. This is another lecture, lecture number 4 of HTML. In this lecture, we will cover how to insert table into on a website. Okay, how to insert or how to use table onto a website. What is the meaning of table? Table, that is a collection of rows and columns. That's called table. Okay, for example, we can see onto other softwares like this is a MS Word. Okay, just we want to insert table. Okay, this is a table, you can see here. Okay, from left to right, this is a row, and top to bottom, this is a column, and single the box is called cell. So collection of rows and columns to make up a table. Table is most important in every projects. For example, you want to calendar onto a website, you want to insert any calculation records, you want to insert student result sheet, you want to insert employee records. Okay, that all of them, that is a table. You can use to table to insert records. Then now how to use in HTML language table, how to insert table using HTML onto a website. TR is what? T stands for table, R stands for rows. TR means table rows. Table is divided into rows. TD, that is what? Table data. And TD stands for table data. Each row is divided into data cells. Okay, that is what? Cells. Cells is like this type of box. You can hear this one is box, and collection of boxes that make up our rows and columns, and collection of rows and columns to make up a table. TH stands for what? Table addings. Addings in a table. And okay, caption, you can just type any text into a caption. Okay, call group defines groups of table columns. Call means columns. Okay, defines the attribute values for one or more columns in a table. T-add means th यानी कि T addings, defines a table add. T body defines a table body. T foot defines a table footer. Cell spacing, amount of space between table cells. Okay, and cell padding, space around the edges of each cell. Call span, number of column working with will span. Rows span, number of rows working with will span. Border attribute takes a number. These are all the table properties. Okay, now how to use into practically. Okay, how to use into practical table without border, just like a simple table. There is no borders, you can see here. Okay, now we will open Sublime and close this tab, open new file and save it. For example, tbl, it's okay 30, give any name html and save it. Okay, first, what is this? Table without borders. Okay, how to use this table without borders? Like table, press enter. Okay, now we can create rows and columns of the table. First, tr means table rows. Press enter. Okay, that is a one row. Okay, this is a one row. Insert table data. Data means cell. Okay, first row and other one is what? Cell, that is box. For example, we want to type any name here. This is a one row and one cell. Okay, if you want to insert another cell, just you can type here table data, for example age. Okay, and you want to type another, insert another cell, table data. Okay, for example sex, name, age and sex. Okay, and save it, just like save. Now we want to open it into Google Chrome like this. Press enter. You can see here name, age and sex. This is a one row, no any borders. Borders means it's center line. Okay, now we want to insert another row. This is a one row. Okay, tr enter. For example, we want to type here data, table data, any name, give any name, for example Ahmed. It's okay, and name and age. Age is what? For example 24 years, and sex is a male. Save it and refresh this page. In this way you can create table. Okay, now we want to create, you can give any values, like here you give an example of milk, tea, coffee. Now we want to create our table with header and border, both of them. Like you can see here, table border is equals to 1. Now you can see here like it's th means adding. Okay, you can see here top row, that's adding, and highlighted like thick font and bolded font, and second row, that's a normal font. How to do into practical this table code with border and header. Okay, now we want to open another file and save it. tbl, give any name, .html. Okay, give any title, table, border, and header. Okay, you can also this heading give here like h2, like here table, border, for example border 3, you can see here table border 3, and we want to like here create a row with heading. How to do this? First insert row, tr table row, then th table heading, not to use here table data. You must note here, for example you can use here table data. Now here when you want to insert table heading into file, let's do it like here, and we want to insert closing, like you can type here any name. Okay, name, any type of data. This is the row number 1. Now we want to insert another heading, table heading, age, table heading, sex. Save it. Now you want to open a website like here. This is the heading and this is the title, name, age and sex. Both are, you are seeing this is a bolded and highlighted form, and this is also center of the border. There is no border and here is a border. Now we want to insert another row. For example, here is give any name. Okay, for example you want to give Muhammad. Okay, and here what are you doing? You must insert table data. It is important, and this is a not heading, this is a cell. Okay, row is same. Here is another, like here 26 years, age, for example this is sex is male, refresh it. Are you seeing? This is a heading and this is a normal text. It's okay. You can use here like the above of the heading and below is the normal text. Now we want to insert, this is a horizontal header and we want to insert vertical header. How to use vertical header? Okay, open another file. Here I am using tbl32.html. Save it. Like here. Okay, now we want to use vertical header. Like here, and give the border 3. It's okay. And table row, that is also table heading, name, and here that is what in this row, that is that. Now we want to insert cell. For example, give any name Ali. I want to check it onto a website. How to do this? Proper functionality. It's okay as so on. Now I want to insert, like here you can see on the presentation, this is name, give any name, like here is John, and also you can insert another data. Same procedure, we can insert other row and heading, age, okay, and here we want to insert another cell, table data, for example 30 age. Okay, now we want to insert another row and another table heading, and here write sex. Now we want to insert the cell male. Okay, just refresh it, name, age and sex. It's okay. Now we have covered this topic, table code with border and header. See on the next topic, that is what, table code with call span and rowspan. This is most important into websites. How to use call span and row span into websites. This is the most important topic. See how to use cell that spans 2 columns. Okay, border is this. And here we give an example, name, loan number. How to use this? First is heading, and second is also heading, but with Colspan. You have noted this. Second is also heading, but with Colspan. This is table border is equals to 4, name, Colspan 2, loan number. Then that is what? Cell, table, data. Then insert into two cells. Colspan means there is one cell and give two values, one column and give two values, two cells. Okay, that is means Colspan. If we want to enter here 3, that give 3 values, L1, L2, and so on. Okay, how to do into practical? Let's see. Okay, let's see on to a practical. Like here we will open another file, like give the name of tbl dot, for example, tbl33.html, and save it. Okay, table with Colspan. How to use this? Okay, give the heading, number of cells into one column or into one row, that is called Colspan. Table border is equals to 3, it's okay. Then we want to using Colspan with table heading. Okay, first we want to insert our row, that's most important. Okay, for example, we want to insert here, that is what? Name. Name, and we want to insert here, that is what? Colspan 2. You must note it here we want to insert two cells, so we want to here insert 2. If you want to insert more than 2 cells, 3 or 4, you just type here 3 and 4. It's the web requirement how to use this. Okay, for example, you can see here, okay, table border is equals to 4. As you want to insert 3 border lines and 4 border lines. Okay, and other one is what? Name, table Colspan is equals to 2. Okay, as so on, you must insert as so. You must insert carefully about how you want to insert 2 or 3 cells into one row or one column. Okay, here also you can see here like this. Now we want to create this type of project. Name, loan number. Okay, as saw on, we insert data into here. Like here, now we want to insert here loan number and close this. We want to close this. Okay, we want to here like this tag is here. This is all of the one row, and we want to insert now another row, tr. Okay, and here td table data. For example, give any name, John. Okay, we want to give any name like here John. This is a first we want to see here onto a website how to use this. Okay, are you seeing here? Now we want to insert another cell. How to use another cell? Like here loan number. Okay, now we want to insert another cell. You can use into this type of something like this. Row is same, but only cells are 3. Okay, like here table data. What is the loan number of the client? For example, we give any name, it's okay, and give another cell, table data, save it, and we want to show onto a website. You can see here name, loan number, okay, and John, and this is a 2 cells. You can see here L1, L2. This is called Colspan. How you can use here. This is called Colspan. Now we use here. And now other one is what? Cell that spans 2 rows. Table border is equals to 8, and table row is what? Table heading name, table data Johns slash table data and slash table row. You can use as song. Okay, number 1 is what? Name, and other one is what? Simple cell Johns. And now we want to enter another row but table heading with table heading. Okay, and that is what? Table data 1, and give another row table data. In this way you are using what? Table row, spans 2 rows. Okay, see here how you can use this. Okay, now like here just we insert break function here to insert new line, and give the adding like table with rowspan. How to use this table with rowspan? First we insert table, border is equals to 3, okay. Now we want to insert row. Okay, how to use this row? First you insert table heading name. It's okay. Okay, now we want to insert here like what name, and with name that we want to insert table tables data like a cell. Give any name. For example, we want to give the name here like Umar, and we want to save this. And what is the name of this? Okay, this is table with rows. You can see here. Okay, now we want to insert row span. How to insert row span? Like this, th row span 2. Okay, here we want to like insert loan number, and this. After this, okay, before this we want to give another, that is what row name. You can see here, you can see also here. For example, how to spell row span? First we want to insert name and give any name. It's okay, and close this. And then other we want to insert another row. How to insert another row? Okay, for example, you want to here, and you must close this row. How to close this row? Just here. Now we want to enter table data, and what this is what loan number. For example, you can type here 003, that is what loan number, and give another row tr. It's okay, give another row and insert one cell. Type here. In this way you can create rows. Just refresh this. You can see here name, loan number, and 2 columns. This is the column span, and this is the row span. This is most important into websites. You can use it. But here is a basic example how to use a row span and column span. It's okay. And we want to see another lectures. For example, like here, how to use captions. Okay, caption, that is a type of use into websites. My caption, for example, here you can see here, just show only my caption data. Okay, you can also use this trick. Now you want to give any empty place, then you don't enter any data, like tt here, tt. Now we can see another one, that is what cell padding, image, and background color. How to use background color into cells or tables, and what is cell padding? Cell padding, you can see here, like here is a between the space of cells, that's called cell padding. It's okay. Now we want to do something into practical. Table border, background color, and also we can give cell padding. How to use this? Now I am using into same lecture here, like there. BG color, background color is for example red. Okay, and here we want to use like background color blue or red, same. You can see difference how to use this. And we want to insert here like no, here we can use this into our table. Okay, you must use this into a table, for example like here. And we want to use here background color is red. Okay, now we want to insert here cell padding for example 9, and save this. Now we want to see here into a website. You can see the difference. This is a large and cell padding, and this is a small. And you can see you can also see here like spaces between cells. This is called cell padding and background color. And you can also change the background of the cell and background of the row. How to change? You can like here BG color is for example blue. Okay, we want to change the background color of the cell. You can also see BG color is yellow. You can give any color and refresh this. This is a row and this is a one cell. Are you seeing the code of everything? Okay, you can see the code of everything. This is the table chapter. Today our fourth lecture. In this lecture we will cover out table lecture, how to use table into websites, how to insert table rows. Okay, you are using, and how to insert table border and header. Okay, how to use Colspan, everything are you seeing, and how to colorize that. These are the totally table lectures, how to use this. This is most important into websites. You can use many projects into to this. You can see also here, and you can also see here. This is a totally table coding. Okay, you can also insert any image into table. Okay, I hope you will clearly understand how to use table into websites. And if any problem, then give me comments below of this video. Okay, I will revert back. Thanks.